sehemu za Thika Makongeni. Bwana Mwangi.
Breeder. And currently here at Mwihoko, where we are introducing a new variety which has been bred from our labs. This is purely bred here in Kenya from local varieties. And in this variety, we have crossed Basmati 370 with a dwarf variety so that we can be able to provide an alternative to Basmati, which has got one, shorter in plant height, two, it can resist lodging, and it is super yielding. Like the one we are presenting here today is able to triple the yield of Basmati, whereby Basmati yield is 4.1 tons per hectare, and here we are presenting this one, which is tested to be 11 tons per hectare. This is a remarkable achievement because we are moving towards food security. You can see the comparison. This is the Basmati to my left. This is the Basmati variety, which is quite tall in stem. You can see compared to the new variety we are releasing. This is the new variety we are releasing.
Nake